Hey guys, I just wanted to check in with you and give you guys a few updates about kind of wrapping up this first week of virtual learning and then moving into next week as well. So number one, I want to say to you guys who have been participating and doing your assignments and interacting with me this week, just want to say thank you guys so much because I know that this has been an adjustment for you. It's been an adjustment for teachers as well. So I appreciate you guys hanging in there. I know we hit a couple snags with like some of the worksheets not working and stuff. But I think we've kind of gotten the kinks worked out. So moving forward, it should be a lot smoother. So the first thing I want to say is I'm not going to be counting anything late this week. Okay, so this first week, since it's kind of like we're getting back in the saddle and you guys are kind of getting used to and adjusted to our virtual learning, I'm not going to mark any of the assignments late as long as they're turned in by Sunday night at 11:59. So Sunday is April 5th. So if you guys have missed the original due dates, and if you guys don't know, you need to go back and watch that original video. Every time I post an assignment, it's due the day after at 11:59. So Monday's assignment is due on Tuesday, Tuesday's assignment is due Wednesday, etc., etc. So just make sure you guys are paying attention to that. But for this week, even if you haven't gotten any of your assignments done yet, you can still get them in by midnight on Sunday night and it will count for full credit. Okay, so please, please, please make sure that you are completing your assignments, and if you have any questions, let me know. We are going to wrap up Unit 4 next week. You guys still have a spring break. That's what I've been told. So we are going to wrap up Unit 4 next week. You guys will have a quiz. It'll be kind of in between a quiz and a test, but it'll be graded as a quiz next Wednesday to wrap up your Unit 4, so you're bonding. So by the time we get to next Wednesday, we'll be wrapped up. As long as you have everything in and submitted, you won't have any work to do over spring break. So you're not going to be required to do work over spring break. And then when we come back from spring break, we'll just continue with this format where I have all of your assignments posted Monday through Friday, and you guys can just work at your own pace. Just be cognizant of those due dates and when everything is due, when you should be turning that stuff in. Okay. If you have any questions, I'm going to set up a Zoom meeting for today. So make sure if you're in this assignment that you look for the link. I'll be on about half an hour for each of my classes today so that you can actually come on and ask me any questions, or if you have anything you want to say, just say hi. That would be great because I know that it's been a while since I've seen you guys. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Grading, spring break. I think that's it. Again, if you guys have any questions, send me an email, send me a remind. If I haven't heard from you, I'm going to start calling home because I need to know that you guys have access to Canvas. So just be on the lookout. I've sent some of you guys a Canvas message asking you to please respond if you got it, because if you haven't been logging in and I haven't heard from you, that's an issue. Okay, because we need to make sure we're all logged on and we are ready to go. So that's it for updates. I just wanted to let you guys know kind of where I was at, where you should be, and we will move forward next week. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.